Hi, my name is Suzanne, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the Katuchef Titanium Cutting Board before you buy it, the pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth it or not. I also have two very important warnings, so pay close attention to what I have to say. The first thing you need to know is this. Be careful where you buy it, because Katuchef is only sold on the official website. Due to its huge popularity, many people are purchasing fake versions of Katuchef from third-party stores without realizing it, and these fake versions are made of cheap materials that can rust, dull your knives, or even collect bacteria, which completely defeats the purpose of having a hygienic cutting board. So always make sure you buy it directly from the official website. To help you, I've left the link to the official Katuchef website below, in the description of this video and in the first pinned comment. So what exactly is Katuchef, and does it really work? The answer is yes. Katuchef is currently America's #1 rated titanium cutting board because it's antibacterial, odor-free, and built to last a lifetime. It's made from 100% pure titanium, which means no microplastics, no stains, and no bacteria. It's completely non-toxic, safe, and knife-friendly, designed to keep your blades sharp and your kitchen cleaner than ever. After years of research and testing, professional chefs and material engineers created this board to solve every problem people have with traditional ones. Wooden boards absorb bacteria and odors, plastic boards scratch easily and release toxins, and glass boards destroy your knives. Katuchef eliminates all those issues with one single design. It's antibacterial, BPA-free, resistant to stains, scratches, and heat, and has a dual-sided surface so you can use one side for raw food and the other for cooked, preventing any cross-contamination. It's also extremely easy to clean. Thousands of people are already using Katuchef every day, and it currently has over 1,800 verified reviews. Customers say it keeps their knives sharp, looks brand new after months of use, and makes meal prep faster and cleaner. There's something important you need to know before you buy. Katuchef offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free. If you don't like it for any reason, you get your money back, no questions asked. And it's also important that you use it correctly. Use each side for different types of food, keep it clean, and that's it. Titanium doesn't rust, doesn't absorb anything, and will literally last you a lifetime. Katuchef was even rated as the best titanium cutting board of 2025 by Top Ratings Dart Review and created by master chef Mason Carter, who has over 20 years of experience in Japanese cuisine. He designed this board to meet professional standards of hygiene and precision, and now it's available for home kitchens. So I wanted to record this video to remind you to be careful where you buy your Katuchef titanium cutting board. Remember, I've left the link to the official website in the description and in the first pinned comment. If you decide to get it, do it while the limited time discount is still active, up to 70% off plus a 30-day money-back guarantee. That way, you'll have a cleaner, safer, and smarter kitchen with a cutting board that's built to last forever.